A very good evening to everyone, wherever you are watching this all around the world. It might be morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are right now. Uh, First of all, I want to appreciate everybody that reached out to me in the last couple of days concerning what is actually happening in my country. It has been a roller coaster for Nigerian youths in the last 5 days. Um, exactly last week, Tuesday 20th of October 2020. I'm about to start my video when I started hearing a lot of things that is happening at the Lekki to I couldn't continue with the video. That day actually supposed to be day 295, and since that time I've not been able to recover to either come up with the content or face the camera. I'll be so done. I appreciate everyone that sent message on WhatsApp, and we have to move on. I'm back. So I will try as much as possible to see how I can get back on track. So that is going to be part of the history. Day 295, 96, 97, 98, and 99. Today is day 300. I'm not going to repeat those other days. I dedicate it to all the lost one in the struggle for a better Nigeria. Dedicate those days to them. Quickly today, I'm going to talk about how you can create a lead form from your Facebook page. So you can actually create your lead form from Facebook page or ads manager. So if you create the lead form ready, you can make use of it if you want to run a lead generation ads. And I'm going to use it practically with an organization I'm working on their media campaign right now, which is Extra Large Farm. So we're going to create that together in a couple of minutes. So let's go straight. If you want to follow along, all you just have to do is to go to your Facebook page. Let me quickly share my screen. And I'm going to be using the client account to demonstrate it because it's actually a live program. So I believe you can see my screen right now. So this is Extra Large Farm. Extra Large is an agri-tech company, and currently they are giving land for agri purpose, over 6,000 plots of land. So I'm going to use this page to create that. So if you are using, if your interface is still old Facebook page, so like switching to Facebook Classic, you will do that from page publishing tools. But if you are using the new Facebook, all you just have to do is to scroll to the bottom left here. You have this publishing tools. That's what you need. Publishing tools here. You click the publishing tools from publishing tools. So here, this is Facebook publishing tools. You have a lot of things there, but the purpose of this video is lead ads generation. So I want to show you how I actually create this. So what you just have to do from lead form here, form library, just click create. So once you click create, so you will ask to either duplicate the existing one, which I have. So for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to duplicate the existing one. I'm going to teach you how to create a new one from scratch. So it's very easy to create duplicate your existing one, just to edit. So by default, it's on new form. So all you just have to do is to click next, and from next here, so you have your page here. So you need to make sure that you get picture layout. You want to use the creatives. Your content is always good to get your content ready. So they can say extra large. You can check their website, extralarge.com. Extra large farm. Extra large farm lead generation. Right? So you can name it everything. So you have two types. You can have more volumes or higher intention. So what's the more volume? Okay, you can use a form that quickly fill out and submit on mobile. So this one will automatically use people's data on Facebook. So if people are using their phone number and email and the default name that they are using on their Facebook, it's actually going to do that. Why this higher intent, which is what I'm going to do right now, it allows people to actually change their information. Again, so a lot of people have changed their phone numbers. So meaning their phone number they still have on Facebook might not be their current number, and you want to make sure you have the current information, the correct data. Some people might want to change the way they have their name. Some people, their name, the way they have it, might not be the way they want it to be submitted for an application like this. So when you use our intent, it gives them an opportunity for them to actually review what they're about to submit. But with this one, they just click and Facebook automatically use their details that they have on the Facebook. So I'll click this intent, so you can see. Look at something here now. Look at this. You have, with more volume, you have complete. So completion. So if I click I intent, you see it's going to change at the review screen. So so quickly, what I have to do right now is I'll click here on type form. So I will need to upload use the image from ad. So if I've already, I will upload the image that I want to use, like background or banner here. So I can click here now. So it's always very good to actually have your creatives, everything ready before you do this kind of ad. So it's not at this point you now be thinking of what am I going to use. So you can say this is video here. I'm not using video in this sense right now. Let's say I want to use this. Let's see how this goes. Right. So I have a couple of creative design already. Our message is giving out 6,000 plot of land, and which is actually shown up here. So on the headlines here, you can see headlines. So because you don't have anything else, I can say free. So land. That's not a good caption. I can say apply for a free land. I'm trying to copy the message that I'm going to use. Apply for free land. Yeah, that's better. We have this now, apply for free land. Okay. Quickly now, so registration. So if I want to add additional info to this place, paragraph, I can just write my message here. So see that? So it's also very good to proofread. We have 6,000 plots of land to give, but you are just saying this now. So this is a typo. So that should be E here. Yeah. So it's also good to proofread right this. So like I have my copy ready, so I don't the content I want to use. So I don't need to be thinking of what do I write here. So it's always good to have all those things. So then talking about having your question that you want to ask, like information that you want to get from them. So now by default you have email and full name. Yeah, email, full name. So you want to have phone number. It's not also good to it's not good really to have too much info for them to fill. So you can add one now. So let's say phone. Yep. So phone number. So with this phone number now, so I think these three things is good. Email, full name, and phone number. So on this phone number now, we have this. Yeah. So three things we want. Email, full name, phone number. Yeah. So I can also see, all right, if I want to readjust which one comes first, name, email, phone number. So you can just click hold and drag it up. It's always good not to ask too much question when it's come to a lead form like this. Maybe maximum of 5 questions would be better. So privacy policy here, like I said, is very good for you to have a link, right? So you can say privacy. Not just is only very good, it's part of the best practice. Yeah, sorry. That's where the link will go. Privacy policy. Right? So if you don't have this, again, I can assure you that Facebook will not approve it. Yeah, so that's one of the best practice. HP extra large farms.com/privacy.html. Okay, so whatever the link is, you have it there, right? So if you have a disclaimer too, you can add it, but disclaimer is not actually one of the most compulsory, but it's part of the best practice to also do that. So, but private policy, you cannot escape that. Without that, your ad is not going to be approved. I can guarantee you. So, if you also have a privacy policy that you disclaimer concerning different type of product or services that you want to generate leads for. It can be for traveling, it can be for real estate. You're good at. So let's check the preview. So you see the preview. This is what they are going to have. You see the completion. So here you have thanks, all said. So you can change this message to successfully register with God contact to you. You can customize it to anything you want. You can visit our website. So on visiting our website, yeah, definitely. So visit our website here. You can have extra large, extra large. So just have the link to your website here. Not that you need to use extra large font. So when people see this now, after they fill the information, they will be able to actually visit your website to see more. And before you publish, you can actually still go back and verify. Okay, you can see, check, proofread if there's typo or anything, right? Do that, check the question. If that is all what you want, check that privacy disclaimer is intact. See the preview screens. This is how people is going to see it. You just click submit or slide. So it's mobile first, really. So once you are done, you can say publish. And that is how to also message or description. Let people know how the information they give. Okay, yeah. So look at this now. So this is part of the question that people need to know. We are talking about privacy now. So look at this. Let people know how the information they give you will be used. So you can go ahead. You can say the information collected, or can just say your information is going to be used. Your information or data is going to be used solely for land allocation purpose. This is real. Should the case check extra large farms across social media? Yeah, extra large farms. Yeah, your information is going to be used solely for the land allocation purpose. So whatever it is, so just get it like that, and we are done by saving this. So if I want to run this now, I can just publish. If I don't want to run it right, I can say save as draft and publish when I'm ready. So if I save it as draft now, saving right now, one is saved. Anytime that I want to use it to run ads, I can publish it. So fund your account. So I have it ready now. So let's say it's saved right now. So if I say publish now, it's going to publish, and we are going to have it as part of this. So by the time you run ads, so I have it saved now. So at the point that I want to run ads, I will select it as an existing form already being created. So, okay, as an existing form already being created. So once the ad started running, I can always come back to this publishing tools under form library and see all the leads. So like this, can preview this now to see how this was designed. You can see this one. So if I click this, I can check. If I download this, I'll download everything. But I've already downloaded this previously. So thank you everyone for listening. I'll see you tomorrow for day 301.